Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind some of the most mysterious places on our planet. From ancient ruins with inexplicable origins to natural phenomena that defy scientific explanation, each location is shrouded in mystery. Sit back, relax, and prepare for an incredible journey as we explore 17 places that have puzzled explorers, scientists, and historians for generations. The Bermuda Triangle disappearances beyond explanation. The Bermuda Triangle, a stretch of ocean connecting Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been the scene of countless disappearances over the years. Planes and ships have vanished without a trace, and even experienced navigators find themselves disoriented in this region. Theories abound, from rogue waves to magnetic anomalies affecting compasses. Some even believe it's a portal to another dimension or evidence of alien activity. We'll take a look at the strangest disappearances and the fascinating, if unsettling, theories behind this phenomenon. Easter Island is famous for its enigmatic moai statues, giant stone heads scattered across the island. These statues were carved by the ancient Rapa Nui people, yet how they managed to transport such massive stones, some weighing up to 80 tons, remains unknown. The island's limited resources and the remote location make the accomplishment even more remarkable. Are these statues guardians, or do they represent ancestors? We'll explore the island's history, theories of how the statues were moved, and the cultural significance of the moai. Stonehenge is a prehistoric stone circle in England that has sparked centuries of debate. How did ancient people, lacking modern technology, move and position stones weighing up to 25 tons with such precision? Some believe Stonehenge was an ancient astronomical calendar, others think it was a place of healing or worship. Theories even suggest it may have served as a burial ground for the elite. We'll explore the archaeological evidence and theories, painting a picture of what Stonehenge might have represented to the people who built it. Lake Natron is a beautiful but deadly lake in Tanzania with water temperatures as high as 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and a high salt and alkalinity content. Animals that come into contact with this water are often calcified, giving the appearance that they've turned to stone. However, the lake also supports certain life forms, including algae and flamingos that have adapted to the harsh conditions. We'll dive into the lake's unique ecosystem, exploring how this deadly environment supports life while calcifying anything else that ventures too close. Rakatsbruck, or the Devil's Bridge in Kromlau, Germany, is a bridge that forms an almost perfect circle when reflected in the water. Built in the 19th century, its intricate design has sparked myths that the devil himself helped build it, as no human could achieve such perfection. Local legends say that anyone who crosses the bridge makes a deal with the devil. We'll discuss the architectural techniques that make this bridge possible and delve into the folklore that surrounds it. In western Poland lies a grove of about 400 pine trees, each with a bizarre 90-degree bend at the base. The cause of this unique shape remains unknown, with theories ranging from a gravitational anomaly to wartime tanks that crushed them. Some believe it was a deliberate agricultural experiment, but no explanation has ever been confirmed. We'll look at the unusual shape of these trees, possible explanations, and what makes this forest so different from any other. The Great Blue Hole off the coast of Belize is a giant marine sinkhole that draws divers from all over the world. With a diameter of over 300 meters, it's one of the largest natural underwater formations on Earth. The depth and distinct rock formations suggest it was once a limestone cave that collapsed thousands of years ago. We'll explore the scientific findings of divers who have ventured into its depths and the rich marine life it supports, making this hole a unique mystery in the ocean. Blood Falls is a surreal waterfall in Antarctica where bright red water flows from Taylor Glacier. This phenomenon is caused by iron in the water, which oxidizes when exposed to air, giving it a blood-red color. But what's most remarkable is the presence of ancient microorganisms that have survived in this isolated, oxygen-free environment for millions of years. We'll discuss the scientific discoveries made here and what this site reveals about life in extreme conditions. In the deserts of Turkmenistan, a natural gas field collapsed in the 1970s, creating a burning crater that's been dubbed the Door to Hell. Originally set on fire to prevent the spread of methane gas, the fire has burned continuously ever since, creating a dramatic, fiery spectacle that lights up the desert night. We'll explore the environmental impact, the attempts to extinguish the flames, and why it continues to attract visitors despite its dangerous heat. The dense, eerie silence of Aokigahara Forest at the base of Mount Fuji has earned it a reputation as the suicide forest. Local legends say it's haunted by spirits, and due to the dense canopy, sound is absorbed, making it unnaturally quiet. Compasses also don't work well here, adding to its mysterious allure. We'll explore the forest's cultural significance, local superstitions, and why it has attracted so many tragic stories over the years. Mount Kailash in Tibet is sacred to Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and followers of Bon. It's believed to be the center of the universe and remains unclimbed, as it's considered a sin to stand on the sacred peak. Pilgrims come from all over the world to circle its base, a journey believed to cleanse the soul. We'll discuss the mystical stories surrounding this mountain, the strict climbing prohibitions, and its significance to the cultures that revere it. The Nazca lines in Peru are massive geoglyphs carved into the desert floor, depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes. These enormous drawings can only be fully appreciated from the air, raising questions about their purpose. Were they messages to the gods, an astronomical calendar, or perhaps markers for an ancient water cult? We'll look into the various theories and the legacy of the Nazca people who created these incredible designs. Nahana Valley in Canada has earned a chilling reputation for unexplained disappearances. Some explorers and gold prospectors have been found decapitated or vanished altogether, giving it the nickname, Valley of the Headless Men. Its inaccessibility and rugged terrain only add to the mystery. We'll discuss the legends, strange deaths, and the rugged beauty that keeps adventurers coming back despite its deadly reputation. Beneath Paris lies a labyrinth of tunnels filled with the remains of over 6 million people. The Paris catacombs are a result of moving bones from overcrowded cemeteries into an underground network, creating a literal city of the dead. Visitors report hearing strange sounds and feeling unexplained chills. We'll explore the history of this unique burial site and why it's considered one of the most haunted places in Europe. Lake Vostok is a subglacial lake buried beneath miles of Antarctic ice. Untouched by sunlight for millions of years, this lake could contain life forms unlike any on the surface. Scientists have drilled down to collect samples, finding signs of microbial life in this isolated ecosystem. We'll discuss the potential discoveries hidden here and why Lake Vostok has become a scientific treasure trove. Once a quarantine site for plague victims, Poveglia Island in Italy later became an insane asylum with rumors of cruel experiments. Abandoned now, it's known as one of the most haunted places in the world, with reports of ghostly figures and strange sounds. We'll delve into the dark history and why Poveglia continues to attract paranormal enthusiasts despite being off-limits to the public. Deep within the Amazon rainforest, the boiling river of Peru reaches temperatures hot enough to cause severe burns. Known as Shanay Timpishka, the river's heat is a mystery as there are no volcanic sources nearby. Indigenous people consider it a sacred site, and scientists are still investigating its geothermal origins. We'll explore how this unique natural feature continues to fascinate locals and scientists alike. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world's most mysterious places. From haunted forests to unexplainable natural wonders, our planet is full of wonders that challenge what we know about science, history, and human beliefs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible content from Sam Official Tech. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.